Today I want to answer a question that you guys asked me. Is vertigo a sign of stroke? So you guys know my name is Dr. Greg Gersten. I help people to remove the blockages from their health so they can live amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If that's you, go ahead and smash the like button down below. That lets me know I'm hitting content that matches what you're looking for and what you're interested in. So is vertigo a sign of a stroke? This is kind of a little bit of a tough question to answer because some of the most common signs of stroke really do sound similar to what you might experience if you have vertigo. So some of them wind up being loss of balance, they wind up being difficulty to communicate or use words properly, it can wind up being a change in mood significantly, or it can wind up being falling or passing out. So a couple of those really wind up connecting, right? Loss of balance, some people can think is a vertigo experience. However, being able to differentiate or look at the other factors that could include you or exclude you from that are super important. With either of these conditions, I think it's ultra important for you to get the appropriate health care that you wind up needing to find the cause of these problems so that you can get back to life and you can determine, is this something you need to go to the emergency room for? Is this something that you need to see a professional for? Or is this something you can manage on your own? One of the ways that I've gone through and helped people with that is that I have shared a video of some of the signs you can look for. What I'm going to do is look forward to seeing you over there as I provide you with a link here to follow up and learn about those things you need to look for to determine if this is a life-threatening emergency or if it's something that you can manage on your own or if it's something you can manage with a professional.